Today we have a very exciting guest with us. My very close friend Advait Paneri. Advait, how are
Well,
you, man?
hi Shivam. I'm very good. Thank you for having me in this session, and I hope we'll really enjoy this
Yep.
because I remember when we started our friendship, it was all about discussions
Yeah.
about
True.
technology and the new phones which are coming into the market and every single thing which possibly involved computers. So I think it will be a fun discussion. We'll go just like the way we used to fight in college.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like,
Domino's has actually started their own driverless delivery, and they have tried the first driverless delivery in Houston. What they're doing is they're actually giving a text giving text message to their existing customer and asking them to try out this feature and how they're getting this review. क्या लगता है तुझे डिलीवरी लेस का फ्यूचर क्या है?
so delivery less is a good thing, and Domino's is I think not the first one. Amazon has already started delivering through drones, and the drone comes and really puts your package in front of your main door, and that is a good thing. But this thing I think will have pros and cons of its own. The
Yeah.
first thing is that if you are going into the driverless, so the security associated with this is not yet granted, right?
Yep.
Because even the most sophisticated systems on earth are capable of being hacked, of being manipulated. So when you are running a vehicle or when you are putting authority into a vehicle which can damage or which can take lives or which can probably mm, make a big impact on the roads or crash into somebody's house, if it would have been with a drone, that if it falls or something else happens with it, it was still okay.
Amazon is partnering with a company called Kano, and they've acquired it
Okay.
actually. They've acquired the Kano, and I think it's a Swiss-based company. So they will be developing a driverless vehicles for them. And it's like it won't be as small as this Domino's pizza one. It will be a huge one which can be carry like multiple packages, like a lot of packages. But this thing is like completely driverless. But उसमें option है कि you can drive it also. You can send a driver who can drive it along with it. It can go in hybrid mode. But this vehicle which is going with Domino's is actually completely driverless. There's no there's no space for any person in this whole car.
Well, yeah, that is certainly a problem because at least for a couple of months you should try it,
Yeah.
and even even so it seems small and delicate, but if it goes beyond a particular speed, I think it has a potential to do some damage.
Yeah. इस कार की डिजाइन अगर आप देखें तो उसको आप रियलाइज करोगे ये डिजाइन आपने कहीं देखी हुई है. Remember, Google started their own driverless project and it looked kind of
Yeah,
similar
yeah,
to it.
the driver.
Yeah. And the reason is because this car is developed by the ex-Google employees who are the people behind the Google driverless car. And they've opened
Okay,
their
okay.
own company called Nero or Nero.io. And this is
Hmm.
that Nero car, which will be used by, it's going to be used by Domino's and Amazon. And they got, not Amazon, because Amazon have Kano. So it will be Domino's and Walmart and one more company. मुझे बस एक इशू लग रहा है कि like the space is very less in this car, right? कि एक बार में how many delivery it can take and how will
Well, the size of pizza is not that big.
yeah, but
Now
yes,
many do you?
नहीं, but like you're talking about countries like US वहाँ पे यहाँ पे एक बार में people order 3-4 pizza large or like family size pizza and now you have like two racks here, right? तो दिख रहा है दो racks हैं जो left and right पे
Hmm.
and how
Mm-hmm.
you will fight with the human greed factor like यहाँ पे suppose you make multiple racks, right? And either you have like multiple racks with every rack open with a pin code like एक dedicated pin code आपको मिलेगा.
Right,
Then issue ये
right,
आएगा कि if you're ordering from above than certain size then you have to give two pin codes for two different racks. Or
right,
if you are not keeping racks and just keeping all order at once, then people can take out others order also, right?
right. And as far as this design is concerned of the car, I think the biggest disadvantage is that most of the individual homes in the US, they have a long pathway
Yeah,
or a garden
yeah,
before the road comes.
correct.
So this will not be able to climb over that.
Yeah,
And there are not everybody has a individual house,
yeah.
own house. Most of the people, they live in buildings, apartments, tall buildings like 45 floors something. So if they have to take their delivery, it will not be a doorstep delivery.
It
You'll
won't be
have
a
to go
doorstep delivery.
down.
Yeah. वो डोर टू डोर स्टेप डिलीवरी वाला कॉन्सेप्ट हट जाएगा फिर.
वो concept भी हट जाएगा. And I think well, I think it is starting of something new.
Yeah.
The first product might not be the best. It might not be as convenient as a human delivery is, because let's take an example of Boston Dynamics. So the first bot they
वो भी करना है.
created wasn't even able to walk properly, but now their bots dance
Now
with you.
their bots are
They play games
really
with you.
reminds me of iRobot. They're shit
I
scary.
robot, yes,
They are very scary these days.
they've come way too far.
I mean, I was also thinking कि if Boston Dynamics and Neuro collide and work on some project, like they create a bot for this particular project, so the bot will actually pick your order and then deliver it to your doorstep. Then it might be a sustainable thing, but that is a very futuristic thing. I mean,
Quite futuristic,
क्योंकि
yes. But
like places like Houston, it can work जहाँ पे there's not much apartments, there are individual houses are more. But when you're,
right,
as you mentioned, right, when you're talking about the places where 40, 45, 46 floors are there, then in your with your maps and with your like GPS trying to figure out the exact location of a house,
mm.
and then asking your bot to go over there, it might be a little difficult. Yeah,
I think it's a good
good
thing that
step.
they have
Yeah,
started, because if this is an electronic vehicle, it will save a lot of natural resources of petroleum otherwise. And also, the delivery capacity is huge.
yeah, but वहीं पे मेरा एक और
On
question था,
the
like so the delivery capacity is huge. I mean, it now it have a positive and negative factors also, right? Suppose you have only one
Mhm.
order, right? That particular time.
Okay,
So what you will do? Like you'll wait for half an hour, or you'll send that this vehicle for immediate order. How will you optimize
well,
that?
depends on how costly of a pizza you're ordering. If the pizza is costly enough to pay off the money for electricity which will be consumed by the EV, they will deliver it.
Because
So anyway,
this was all about Domino's thing, Domino's delivery of driverless and
yeah.
pizzas, and they are actually already doing this. This is not like futuristic thing. They're already doing it in Houston. They're already
Uh-huh.
trying it out. So this is not very far from reality. I think they'll sooner start rolling out in other places. And look at the device. It looks very cute, right? This car is not very huge, so it's kind of it can go to smaller places also. जहाँ पे road is not very crowded.
It can be completely put into a bigger van and
Yeah,
they can steal it.
yeah, yeah. Sure. बस इसी बात पे लोग आज हम अपना सेशन खत्म करते हैं.
Yeah,
Please
it was fun.
subscribe to us. Do drop us a comment if you find some information invalid or wrong, or if you like it, anything. And
And your comments.
yeah,
And
I mean,
thank you, Shubham.
thanks,
You
thanks
got
Advait.
me to this platform.
Thanks Advait for joining me. I was waiting for you to come to this platform. And चलो दोस्तों, फिर have a good night.